So I'd first like to call upon the Honorable Chairman of the PCB Management Committee, Zaka Ashraf Saab, to come forward and say a few words. A huge round of applause.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Indeed, a great pleasure and privilege to be here to announce the schedule of ACC Asia Cup 23. I want to welcome and thank all guests, including our distinguished cricketers. The Asia Cup is returning to Pakistan after 15 years. First multi-team international tournament is coming to Pakistan after 15 years. This is a moment of happiness and satisfaction, and a big achievement for the entire country. Must appreciate and thank the federal government, provincial government, security agencies, apart from the PCB staff, for helping us get to where we are today. Special thanks to all our fans and supporters who have backed up in the journey and then showcased their passion for cricket by filling the stadia when international matches were recently held here. We look forward to the fans' continued support in the ACC Asia Cup, and beyond that, the national team can continue to raise Pakistan flag higher with their performance and achievements. Our hospitality is world-renowned. We have always welcomed our guests with open arms. The Asia Cup provides us with another opportunity to extend our love and appreciation for our guests and participants. We will announce again to demonstrate the world that we are a peace and cricket-loving country. I want to congratulate Nepal on qualifying for the Asia Cup for the first time. Afghanistan will also be playing in Pakistan for the first time as an international team. Both the sides, along with Sri Lanka and Asia Cup, and Bangladesh will perform a memorable time here. Finally, and on personal note, I was a PCB chairman when Pakistan last won the Asia Cup in 2012. Hope they will lift the cup come September for third time. My best wishes will always be with the side. And schedule of the matches, I think 30th August, Pakistan versus Nepal at Multan. 3rd September, Bangladesh versus Afghanistan at Lahore. 5th September, Sri Lanka versus Afghanistan at Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore. 6 September, B4, Lahore. So I'd just like to thank you all, and then we start continuing with our program for today. Thank you.